how to update outdated drivers in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to update the outdated drivers in your Windows 10 or 11, then the first thing you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to go with the Windows Update, which is here on the bottom left. Click on the Windows Update and make sure that you've resumed the updates, and it will check for any updates. If you have any updates, then it will update for you. And once done, the next thing you need to do is you just simply right click on your Windows and you need to go with the Device Manager option. On the Device Manager, you simply go with the particular drivers that you would like to update. So you simply click on it, right click on it, and then go with Update Driver and simply update the drivers. Once they've updated, now your problem will be fixed. And the last thing you need to do is you simply install your drivers from the manufacturer's website. So if you have, for example, if you have any updates for the NVIDIA, then what you need to do is simply go with your browser. So just head over to the NVIDIA website and make sure to get it or make sure to update that. And after that, you just simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.